Just a quick video with my take on a smoke machine or vacuum leak detector. This is a homemade device, and what you're gonna need is a jar, a lid. It's gonna fit snug, airtight lid, tire valve, a hose, 10mm hose, and the hose adapter that are glued with GB weld on the lid. So you drill 2 holes, one for valve and one for the hose adapter. And then you're gonna need charcoal. Yeah, so this is barbecue charcoal. Okay. You're also gonna need like 50 ml of oil, which we put inside the jar. Okay, you don't need too much. You don't want to submerge this in oil, just barely touch the oil, so it creates smoke. And then now we burn the charcoal, nice hot. Okay, so the charcoal is nice and hot. Drop the charcoal in, lid on. That's it. Pump on. Turn the pump on. We have smoke. Should work with this pump also. Yes, but it works better with constant airflow. So there you have it. See, smoke keeps building. So you use this system to find your vacuum air leaks or any vacuum leaks on your car intake manifolds. Don't play with it, please. Disclaimer: playing with fire can be dangerous, so you do it on your own risk. Don't do this around the kids. So this is just a cheap way to make a smoke machine home, a cheap smoke machine. If money is not a problem for you, just buy a proper machine from Amazon or eBay. So okay guys, have fun.